Welcome to Health and Wellness. We are happy that you are here. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment for a healthier lifestyle. In our quest for health, the food we consume plays a critical role. Today we're focusing on fruits, nature's sweet treats. But not all fruits are created equal. Some are surprisingly low in sugar, yet rich in essential nutrients. These superfruits can be a game changer for your health and wellness journey. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 9 fruits that are low in sugar and packed with nutrients. The first fruit on our list is the avocado, a unique fruit that is high in healthy fats. But that's not all. Avocados are also fiber powerhouses, helping to keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. They're a great source of several essential vitamins, including vitamin C for immune support, vitamin E for healthy skin, vitamin K for bone health, and vitamin B6 for brain development. So next time you're looking for a nutrient-packed snack, consider reaching for an avocado. Moving on to berries, these small fruits are a powerhouse of nutrients. Let's start with strawberries. Not only are they juicy and delicious, but they are also a fantastic source of vitamin C and manganese. Next, we have blueberries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants that can protect your body from harmful free radicals. Then come the raspberries, a treat that's high in fiber and vitamin C with a lower sugar content than many other fruits. Last but not least, blackberries, a berry that boasts high levels of vitamin C and K and a good source of fiber. What makes berries truly remarkable is their low sugar content compared to other fruits, making them a perfect choice for those monitoring their sugar intake. So whether you're adding them to your smoothie, salad, or eating them as a snack, you can indulge in these sweet and tangy fruits without worrying about your sugar intake. Next up is the refreshing cantaloupe. This fruit is not only low in sugar but also packed with vitamins. This delightful melon is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's rich in vitamin A, essential for eye health, and vitamin C, a potent antioxidant and immune booster. The high water content in cantaloupe also contributes to hydration, making it an excellent choice for quenching thirst and replenishing fluids. So in one delicious package you get taste, nutrients, and hydration. Enjoy a slice of cantaloupe for a refreshing and healthy treat. Lime and lemon. These citrus fruits are known for their tangy flavor and health benefits. Packed with vitamin C, these tart treasures can help bolster your immune system, keeping colds and flu at bay. Not only that, but their high acidity aids digestion, breaking down food for optimal nutrient absorption. Plus, the antioxidants in lime and lemon can contribute to vibrant skin health, fighting off damage from free radicals. So, why not add a zing to your meals with lime and lemon while reaping their health benefits? The tropical fruit papaya is not only delicious but is also low in sugar and high in nutrients. This vibrant orange delight offers a unique blend of sweet and tangy flavors. It's packed full of fiber, assisting in digestion and promoting a healthy gut. The vitamin C content is off the charts, bolstering your immune system. But the real star is the antioxidants, fighting off harmful free radicals in your body. So why not indulge in the sweet, juicy goodness of papaya for a healthy snack? Watermelon, a refreshing fruit that is surprisingly low in sugar. What a delightful paradox. Its sweetness belies its low sugar content. This juicy red fruit is a hydration hero, boasting a staggering 92% water content. But that's not all. It's a treasure trove of vitamins A and C, 2 vital antioxidants that support your immune system and skin health. Plus, it's a great low-calorie snack for those balmy summer days. Enjoy a slice of watermelon for a refreshing and hydrating treat. Last but not least, guava and kiwi. These fruits are low in sugar and high in nutrients. Let's take a closer look at these 2 power-packed fruits. Guava, a tropical delight, is an excellent source of dietary fiber. This helps keep your digestive system robust and functioning at its best. And it doesn't stop there. Guava also brims with vitamin C, even more than what you'd find in an orange. Now let's shift focus to the vibrant kiwi. This small, brown, fuzzy fruit is more than meets the eye. Not only is it a deliciously sweet snack, but it's also a fantastic source of antioxidants. These antioxidants help to combat harmful free radicals in your body. Moreover, kiwi is another champion in the vitamin C arena, providing a significant boost to your immune system. So there you have it. 2 low-sugar, nutrient-rich fruits that are as tasty as they are healthy. Next time you're looking for a sweet treat, reach for a guava or kiwi. That concludes our list of top 9 fruits that are low in sugar and rich in nutrients. From avocado's heart-healthy fats to the vitamin C in berries, cantaloupe's hydration properties, the detoxifying power of lime and lemon, papaya's digestive benefits, watermelon's lycopene content, to the vitamin-rich guava and kiwi. Each of these fruits brings a unique health benefit to the table. Remember, a fruit-filled diet is a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Stay healthy, stay happy,